In this video, we'll show you how to use the MSR90 Reader to automatically extract data from bank cards directly into a Google Sheet. Let's take a look at what you'll need. We've got an MSR90 Reader, a USB adapter, an iPad, and of course, 3 magnetic stripe cards. We're using the MSR90 Reader Safari Extension, which processes the data automatically when you swipe a card. First, open Google Sheets in Safari. Let's start by swiping the cards with the extension turned off. As you can see, the raw track data gets dumped into a single cell, messy, full of prefixes and suffixes. Parsing it manually is tricky, and if you want to swipe another card, you have to manually move to a new line. Now, let's turn the extension on. Watch the difference. This time, the data is cleanly extracted, no extra characters, and each track goes into its own cell, automatically. You can keep swiping cards one after another, and the sheet keeps filling in, no extra steps. It's fast, accurate, and super convenient. To get started, just search MSR90 Reader in the App Store, and download the extension. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. Want more tips and tools for working with magstripe cards? Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.